Happy Apple Day, everyone. In this video, we're going to unbox the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, the one that was just released. So sit back and enjoy. As you can see, it was packaged very securely, wasn't going to rattle around inside that box. And UPS did a great job of delivering on time as promised. I opted to add a little Memoji of myself, so put a hat on to cover my bald head. I kind of like it, don't you? This was just an unboxing and a reveal of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I'm not going to go into fit and sound quality. There's a ton of other videos that get that done. I just want to show you a real world unboxing and what it looks like coming out the box.